What I eat in a day is a 42-year-old on a fruit-based diet who's lost 40 pounds. I love to start my day with young coconut water and the flesh. Squeeze your garlic in. Add some fresh garlic and a little bit of salt or salt water and it tastes like garlic bread. So good. Lately I've been getting into the carrot juice.
Wow.
Delicious. 1 litre of carrot juice. We live off-grid in the jungle and we grow a lot of our own food and I just love these golden grummy chummers. I just went for a jog and picked these in the Garden of Freedom. So I'm having papaya that we grew and bananas that we grew. So this is a fully homegrown meal. Getting the weekly flowers. Gonna put water in here. Wow. So how much do you think? About 40 kilo?
Yeah, about 40 kilo.
Oh gosh, hang on, let me help. Look at these bananas that we grew. They're still on the bunch. They are huge. So dinner varies a lot, but if we're having cooked food, we usually will have something very simple like pumpkin soup. This is a Thai-inspired pumpkin soup. It's really good, and the recipe will come. And just some other coconut and a salad. This is my jungle fairy outfit I've been working on for a while. Another 55 full-coloured recipes in my Raw to 4 Diet ebook. Comment ebook down below for a limited time discount.